Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at another case for your iPhone XR, and it comes to us from Adidas one more time. This is the 3-stripe snack case, but in a leatherish form. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have another case from Adidas for your iPhone XR. It does come for the iPhone XS Max and the XS. If you guys are interested, I will have a link down below to those. So this is the 3-stripe snap case. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Wireless charging compatible, drop protection, and a slim design. And on the back we do have a little quote from Adidas as well. Alright, so we do have a nice little pull tab here. Just pop that open. You guys can see from the case right here. Definitely a different material from the other phones. This one definitely looks like you have a lot more grip because you do have that little bubble circle pattern there. Feels pretty sturdy. Definitely something different. I have seen this colorway with a different amount of shell toe, so this is definitely something that you could definitely rock on a daily if you guys have them gold shell toes. Definitely cool. You do have the gold Adidas logo right there. I'm gonna show you the other two. They're right over here. I should have that video already out. The different colorways. So you guys let me know what you guys think. How does it look? But here's the phone for itself. Let's put the iPhone XR in there and let's see how everything looks. So the cutout looks absolutely perfect. Power standby key, definitely on point. Volume up and down clicky. Access to the mute toggle switch is on point as well. Definitely feeling the nice little stripes here. It definitely feels like the ones you get on the shell toes. Definitely something different. I haven't seen in the case. As far as the lip action, everything is on point with that as well. The lip action for the top and on the bottom is good, and on the sides as well. For the camera lip action, definitely a little bit. So you could be easily protected when it comes to drops and falls. Slight drops and falls when it comes to the front and the back. Alright guys, so here's how it looks from the front. So if you guys want to pick this up, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of Adidas products and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.